In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add terms and conditions checkbox to Shopify checkout. Adding a terms and conditions checkbox is a simple way to set clear expectations with customers before they place an order. It can help with legal compliance, reduce disputes, and make your policies easy to find and agree to. We'll do this using a Shopify app, and I'll walk you through each click so you know exactly where to go and what to look for. Start by opening your Shopify Admin and landing on your store's home dashboard. Make sure you're logged in with an account that has permission to install apps. If your store has multiple staff members, confirm you're using an owner or staff account with the right access so you don't run into permission prompts later. Next, look to the left-hand sidebar and click on Apps. This is where you manage everything you've already installed and where you'll access the Shopify App Store. Because the checkout experience is controlled by Shopify, adding a checkbox usually requires an approved app that integrates directly with checkout or with your cart. That's exactly what we'll be searching for. In the Apps section, open the App Store and use the search bar to type Terms and Conditions. You'll see several options designed to add a required checkbox at checkout or on the cart page. Take a moment to compare a few listings. Look at ratings, the number of reviews, and whether the description specifically mentions adding a checkbox to checkout. Check for features like linking to your policies page, customizing the checkbox, text, and blocking checkout until the box is ticked. If your store uses one-page checkout or a specific theme, make sure the app notes compatibility. Choose an app you trust. Many merchants use options like an easy terms and conditions checkbox style app and click into the listing. Then select Install or Add App. Shopify will show you the permissions the app needs to function, review them carefully, and approve to continue. After installation, you'll be taken back to your admin with the app available under Apps, Ready to Use. From here, most apps guide you through setting the checkbox message and linking to your terms page. A helpful tip is to have your terms and conditions page URL ready so customers can click through and read your policy. Keep the checkbox label clear. For example, I agree to the terms and conditions, and ensure it's required before payment. That's all it takes. You've accessed your Shopify admin, opened apps, searched for a dedicated terms and conditions solution, and installed it so you can start enforcing acknowledgement at checkout.